right, everybody. So I know there's a lot of you who watch these at a later time, right? In fact, it would appear that most of the views actually come time shifted, so that I know some people work at the time we're supposed to meet and stuff like that. So we oftentimes have more people watching the video afterwards when it's posted to YouTube rather than watching it when the class is taking place. So, but we've kind of talked about most of the stuff we need to talk about, right? I mean, at this point, it's just a matter of getting everything in by the due dates there, which are listed, tomorrow. So getting all that stuff in so we can complete the course. So I'll talk for a few minutes, but then I'm going to move it over to Zoom, where basically I'm just going to be available to answer questions for anybody, right? Questions you have about remaining homework, questions you have about the quiz, right? That important quiz I need you to take. Only one person has taken the quiz. They did get 100% on it, so that's good. But I need more people to take that quiz because I have to report those results to the school. And also they're big points for your project, right? I know it says 3 points there, but remember it's actually that gets scaled. It's going to be like 30 points towards the project. So go in there, do a good job on the quiz. That's pretty good. You don't want to get a 0 on 30 points out of your project, right? So go in there, get those points, and then turn in your completed project by tomorrow. Right. So, and make sure you're not late, right? Make sure you get it in on time. Pretty important. Make sure you turn it in a format that is, a typical format so I can read it. All that kind of good stuff. So, do that. Make sure you get those things in. Make sure you finish up the homework. At this point, all the points you can gather together are going to be helpful to you. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at with stuff. So just a reminder how grades work. Next week, this class is ending extra early. It's weird. The late start classes are ending extra early this semester. So Monday, I plan on starting to finalize the scores for this class. But because of it's just a weird schedule. I still have normal classes on Monday. And by normal, I mean that they're not in finals yet. It's still pre-finals. There's still 3 days of regular instruction next week before we get to the finals, which means I will have some time to work on grades for this course on Monday, but I'll also still be limited because I'm trying to get, I have to take care of those classes and still have regular class meetings on Monday. But I'll get these grades submitted as soon as I can. We don't email grades. We're actually not supposed to email grades. There's basically privacy issues because if we send you an email and that email gets viewed by people that's not supposed to, then we've actually we've given up your information in ways that we're not supposed to, and that's bad for the school. It can risk accreditation and stuff like that. So don't email grades. Basically, they'll pop up as soon as I submit them. Within 12 hours, they pop up inside your VC portal anyways. So if you go in there and check your grades, you'll get them within a few hours. Plus, if I respond to individual grades, it takes forever and it slows me down from actually doing the grading that I need to do in order to finish the course. So I cannot email you your grade, but I will get them submitted as soon as possible so that we can move forward with stuff. And you can have your grades and feel good about passing, hopefully, and move on from there. So that'll all start to happen Monday. I doubt I will get all these. You got to realize it takes me some time to watch these videos. Much, much longer than just grading a test. So, that's going to take me a little while. Plus, I have 2 stats classes that are wrapping up early here. So, I've got a lot of videos to watch in the next couple of weeks because I have 3 statistics courses. But I'll move through them as soon as I can. And that's kind of where we're at with stuff. That's kind of the thing, is that it's just about getting this stuff turned in. So what I will do is I'll switch over and answer individual questions, but that's kind of going to happen in Zoom. So I'm going to close down the YouTube stream. Anyone who has questions for me, please come see me in Zoom. If you have questions about homework, come see me in Zoom. If you have questions about the project, come see me in Zoom. If you have questions about how the course works or how, the mechanics of the course and how it operates from here on out, come see me in Zoom. Any questions related to this statistics course and being able to finish it strong so that you finish successfully, so that you get your passing grade, come see me. If there's something that you're nervous about, come see me, right? So I know it's a bigger barrier to ask your instructor questions. We're seeing more of this. There's more division than we like to have between students and professors now, because it's just so much easier when we're in a classroom for a student who is afraid to ask a question during class to come up and ask me on their way out of the room, and they ask me like, "Oh, I have this one question. Can you answer it for me?" Sure. It's more intimidating for students, for a teacher they've never seen in person, to go to Zoom and hop in there and ask questions, and you're the only person in there asking questions. It can, feel a little anxiety inducing for some students, but no one wants you to have to take this class over again. So please come in, ask me the questions that you want to ask me, and I'm here to help you through with stuff. Okay. And I will do that for the remainder of the class today until 1:15. I will be in there and I will answer questions that anyone has about what you need to do to finish this course strong and get through things. Okay. So that's where we're going to go. Please hop into Zoom and speak with me. Otherwise, I guess hopefully that means you're on the way to getting everything completed successfully. And good job. You all should be proud of yourself for making it this far and completing the course, hopefully successfully completing the course. Taking this class in a little under 5 weeks is sort of a ridiculous undertaking. So the fact that you did this and you're finishing and you're completing is a big accomplishment. So you should feel good about that. So congratulations on that. And hopefully everything goes well with the grading. Like I say, I'm available if you want to see me. So, okay, thanks everybody. Hop over into Zoom. We're still having class. I'm just having it in Zoom so that we can talk person to person. Because anything that I would say right now in the stream is stuff I've already said 5 or 6 times. So come talk to me in person and we'll figure it all out. Okay, thanks everybody.